Cool Red 420, expect RNP approach runway 27 via Mike 646, Nomeo to Whiskey arrival. Cebu 640, release, initial climb 7,000. Roger, Cebu 226, revise, Syra 1 Whiskey, runway 27 departure. Cebu 640, fly the boy 1, initial climb 7,000. Traffic info, Airbus 320, inbound Papa Romeo on Mike 646. Estimate Nomeo at time 22 descending. Cebu 226, departure QNH 1010, next report Galio. Kaya pa ba yun? Cool Red 420, Roger, continue approach runway 09, contact tower 1181. Airfield 2787, Roger, initial descent 8,000, proceed direct cabin. Red 545, A-firm, and leading traffic on a final runway 09, hold over Victor Papa 27 Alpha.
Rox, bigay mo lang sa akin yung sa likod, may utang ka sa akin ha.